This is the wireless backup camera monitor kit from Accfly. It is IP68 waterproof and wireless. It comes with a beautiful 4.3-inch color LCD monitor. It comes with all the accessories you need for power supply, for the monitor and for the camera, and also with a suction cup. The camera itself comes with a 120 degrees wide angle, and it is really easy to mount, and you can use same screws as you use for your license plate. So it's a complete set which has everything you really need. Here you can see a basic setup with the display in the front, the camera in the back, and when you drive normal you will see date and time. When you back up you will see the rear of your car. Of course you will need some extra screwdrivers and pliers. So basically you need access to the 12-volt cable of your backup light. But there's also the possibility to hook up the power on the license plate light or to buy dedicated cable to the cigarette lighter. As a rule of thumb, the older the car is, the easier you will get access to it. To mount the camera is really easy. Just remove the license plate and the frame. So then align the holes of the frame and the camera mount, so you can use same screws as you had to reattach the frame and the camera. When everything is okay in the back, now it's time to plug the power adapter into the cigarette lighter. Remove the protection foil from the suction cup. Attach the display to the suction cup and secure it on your dashboard. And of course also attach the power cable, and so you will have a nice picture from the back. There is absolutely no setup needed. The colored line in the display will exactly tell how far you can go. So as you can see in this test, as soon as the camera gets on power it will connect to the display. So as a final conclusion, this is a really complete set. Everything works perfectly. The only thing is it could be a little bit difficult to attach the camera to power supply of the car. So as a worst case, if you're not able to attach the power cable to the camera, go to the garage of your choice or a tune-up store, and the pro should be able to attach it in about 2 hours. So either way, this will be a huge upgrade to your car regarding safety and comfort. And bottom line, this is definitely a buy.